Okay, now we can see cash budget, budgeting and control. Second illustration. So here they given Archita company wishes to arrange overdraft facilities with its banker during April to June. So now we can find out 3 months cash budgets, that's April to June, and after that they can indicating the extent of the bank facilities company will require at end of each month. So now they can given 2014 February, March, sales, purchase and wages. So sales always what? Debtors. Purchase, creditors. Okay, so remember that. Now additional informations: 50% credit sales are realized in the month following sales and remaining 50% the second month following. So this is the little tough, not tough, is easy. So first we can see 50% credit sales or realized in the month of following. So in the month of following, so which month we are doing? April. So April month following March, so we can take March 50%. Like take for a March 1,92,000 in that 50%, and rest of and remaining 50% is the second month following. So second month following in April, second month following is the February. So that is 1,80,000 in that 50%. Now we can add to 50%, that is March 1,92,000 50%, and even February 1,80,000 50%. And what is that amount? We should add both and we should write in April columns. In cash budget, receipt side, April column, both. So like that. Now creditors are paid 1 month following month of purchase. So creditors, how much is them? We can see in April column 2,43,000 creditors. In that 1 month following purchase means go to back, that is March. So March 1,44,000 creditors. So like that, May April column 2,43,000 and June May column 2,46,000. So now creditors over on purchase columns. Now we can see what about this wages. So wages, they didn't mention anything. So we can write as it is. April means April amount, May means May amount, June means June amount. So all the entries we finished, and after we can do it the calculations, total receipt and total payments. We can do total receipt minus total payment. We can get the closing balance. Okay, so this closing balance is come to the next month opening balance. So like that. Now we can do the step by step. First, we can see the opening balance. Say opening balance how much? First April 2014, 50,000. So opening balance 50,000. You can write opening balance 50,000. Okay. Next we can see receipt. Next we can write receipt. Receipt, cash from debtors. So receipt, cash from debtors. So now we can do the small working notes. Working notes. 50% of credit sales are realized in the month of sales. So here so 50% credit sales in the month of following. In the month of following. See here. April in the month of following means that is March. Okay, in the month of, that is previous month. See how much? 1,92,000. So we should write here. April will take March and February. So here this is the following month. This is 2 months. 2 months before. So now this March also 50%. Feb also 50%. So take how much? March 50%. That is SIPA. March 50%, 1,92,000, 50%. And like that, February 1,80,000, 50%. So we can do the calculations. 1,90,000 into 50%. So 96,000. 96,000 and same 1,80,000 into 50%, 90,000. So now total 1,86,000. So now we can write your cash budgets. 1,86,000 cash from debtors. Now like that, April over, now May. So May also, see here, if you take May, so same month and second month, following month and following next month. So see that May, same month is April and following month March. So here April also same 50%, this also 50%. So April 1,08,000, 1,08,000 and March 1,92,000. Yeah, 1,92,000. 1,88,000, 50%, 54,000. So already is there. March 1,92,000, that is 96,000. Now we can add both. So total 1,50,000, total 1,50,000 That is May, in the month of May. 1,50,000. Now June. How we can do June? Like that. Same. June. See here June. In the month of following sales, May, and next April. Okay, so here May 50%, April 50%. So May how much? 1,74,000, and April 1,08,000. So already April is the 54,000. Now April 54,000 and 1,74,000 into 50%, 87,000. 87,000. Now we can do the total. 87,000 plus 54,000, 1,41,000. So that is June. 1,41,000. So I hope up to this step you will understand. See, opening balance, receipt, cash from debtors. Cash from debtors, we can do the small calculations. Okay, how will according to that additional informations, we can done the small working note, and after that we can apply that answer in this column. So this is what receipt, cash from debtors. Now we can do it payment side. This is receipt, so now payment. Payment, first one creditors. Payment, first one creditors. What they mentioned here, creditors? Creditors are paid in the month of following of purchase. So in the creditors, always we can see the purchase column. So in the month of following means April means we can take March, May means April, so 1 month before. Diaries, no any other information in the purchase, that is like 50% or 20%, nothing. So as it is only we can see the month. So that is what 1 month before or 2 months before. Okay, following months or 2 months following or 1 month following, that's it. Now April we can see the March column, and May, April, June, May. Okay, so now creditors, April we can see the March 1,44,000, and May we can see April 2,43,000, and after that June we can see the May 2,46,000, 2,46,000. Now after that only last one, wages. Expenses. So in expenses they didn't mention anything in the additional informations. So on that situations we can write as it is. Okay, so they didn't mention anything means as it is. April means April amount, May means May amount, June means June amount. So now wages as it is. April 11,000, May 10,000, June 15,000. Okay, so now we can do here total receipt. That is A. And here total payments, that is B. Okay, now we can do the total. 1,86,000 plus 50,000. So that is 2,36,000. Now here payment side 1,44,000 plus 11,000, that is 1,55,000. This is B. Now we can do A minus B, that is total receipt minus total payments. A minus B. So A minus B, how much? A is 2,36,000 minus 1,55,000. That is 81,000. This 81,000 is the closing balance. Closing balance. So closing balance of closing balance 81,000, and this closing balance is come to May opening balance. Now opening balance how much? 81,000. So now we can do add here. 81,000 plus 1,50,000. 81,000 plus 1,50,000. So that is 2,31,000. That is total receipt 2,31,000 May. Now here total payments 2,53,000. Now same A minus B, 2,31,000 minus 2,53,000. 2,53,000. So that is 22,000 closing balance. So we should not mention minus. Okay, so we should make bracket in this. Okay, now this is opening balance on June, 22,000. That is this minus one. Okay, minus overdraft. So minus 22,000 plus 1,41,000, that is 1,19,000 total receipt. Now total payment 2,46,000 plus 15,000, how much? 2,61,000. Now 1,91,000, 1,19,000 minus 2,61,000, that is 1,42,000. So this is what second illustration.